Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for your inquiry on this Skoda Karoq SE L. So a 1.6 diesel TDI finished in quartz grey. So we'll just take you around the outside of the car to have a closer look at it. So some of the standard exterior features on this car include your chrome roof rails, the chrome window surrounds and the rear tinted windows. We also find features of this car are both front and rear parking sensors, and because it's the SE L, it also has a rear parking camera. So terrific spec, this model. Keyless entry is also a feature of this car, as well as keyless start. So we'll quickly take a look at the interior. So we've got manual adjustment seats, but those seats are half leather and Alcantara, so some real nice quality feel. And some of the standard features on this car include satellite navigation, dual zone climate control, we've got cruise control, and we've also got DAB radio with hands-free Bluetooth as well. So any more information or help, please feel free to give us a call, and we look forward to speaking to you very soon.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.